always one reason to feel the good enough, and it's all at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. From my face, let me be empty, weightless, and maybe I find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. From the start.